Hello guys, last June Oukitel unveiled the rugged smartphone WP19 and now the brand will launch the Pro model on the 12th of this month. The Oukitel WP19 Pro, powered by the Helio G99 processor, will feature 12GB RAM, upgradable to 24GB RAM and 256GB of onboard storage, expandable by up to 2TB with memory card. Out of the box, it will run on Android 13. The WP19 Pro will sport a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus LCD screen with Corning Gorilla Glass protection and 120Hz refresh rate, upgrade over the WP19's 90Hz refresh rate. The battery capacity has also increased by 1000 mAh, meaning the WP19 Pro will pack a massive 22,000 mAh battery. The charging speed remains the same at 33 watts. Featuring 4 cameras, 64MP primary from Samsung, 20MP night vision from Sony lens, 2MP macro and 60MP selfie, the rugged smartphone will be marketed with the tagline "Safest and the toughest 22,000 mAh Explorer Plus" and come with the IP68, IP69K and mil-STD 810H certifications. Be sure to visit the sales links below this video and pre-order your new Oukitel WP19 today. But that's not all. In a few days, this very WP19 Pro will be coming to us for a video review. We will have it in our hands, review coming soon, so stay tuned.